Lifeline Emed Publications and GARI have entered into a collaborative partnership for the purpose of jointly organizing a range of academic and professional development activities.
Sampath Abewikrama serves as the Managing Director at the renowned Global Academic Research Institute. Sania Sadaf Khan is the Chief Executive Officer leading Lifeline Emed Publication into new ventures. Both are together works to success this international projects.
Lifeline Emed Publications and GARI Conference collaborate organize 7 international conferences on health and medicine.